I'm getting there first. Yeah.
I got it.
No.
None of y'all are getting points.
I know.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. It was too easy anyway.
All or not.
Chris still
I can make it.
Chris still hasn't won a game, by the way. Chris, you
Listen,
want to aim them at each other?
One. What?
Oh yeah.
What?
It's fine.
Don't worry about it.
I forgot that I was raccoon for a second. Alright, here we go. Got it. Chris, don't worry. You'll be fine. There you go.
Shut up.
Oh my god! It's
Look
like
at
we're
those sweet,
cuddling.
sweet moments.
I want more. Here we go. Man, your elephant just looks depressed whenever you like try to place it somewhere else. It's so sad looking. Alright, here we go. Alright. Got it.
No!
You can do it, Chris.
It's so
Okay.
hard.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's a
Alright.
slight.
You got it. You have to time
Right
it
there.
perfectly. Oh my god, you're doing it. How did you manage?
She was gaming, and then she got sat on by Mommy's face.
Mommy, why?
Oh,
Fuck.
Jesus Christ.
How did? Oh.
Oh, there you go. You did it.
Okay, you gotta go like. Okay, I see it.
Yeah. It's like now. Yep. And then yeah, don't die there. And then also don't die there. Yeah.
Or do die and let me get a
Yeah.
point.
Yep.
Chris still doesn't want a green cat.
No, I have. It was just too easy.
Fuck. Oh, jump backwards. Alright. Hang on. I'm gonna pull what's called a pro gamer move.
Okay.
Alright. Oh, well, okay, hang on. Hold on. I gotta get set up for it.
Go for it.
Got it.
Okay.
Oh, Cruz made it to the end.
Fine.
I didn't even see that. I didn't even see where he made it.
Leave me alone.
Oh my god. So anyway,
my
you guys
God.
want to see my Sonic PowerPoint presentation?
No.
I already saw it. You showed it to me in a
I know.
drunken rage.
I know I did. I know I did. I showed Chris too.
I bet you probably watched the new Sonic movie.
I did. Why?
The new Sonic movie.
I kind of like Sonic.
Did you know Sega's stock prices are rising? Google Sonic inflation.
No.
Oh, you really got yourself with that one, huh?
Oh,
No.
Yeah.
really funny.
Mm.
So you just fucking knocked yourself out with that.
I am quite bonkers hilarious.
Yeah.
What is
Got
this?
it.
What is
Pro
the?
gamer. Fuck.
Bye, Shoddy.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
you can pass through it. Fuck.
Uh-huh.
I didn't realize that. I thought you could climb on it, but apparently not.
I love that.
No.
You didn't get it.
Okay. Well,
I think that's quite poggers.
I have a solution for all of our problems here.
The only
No.
solution for Earth's pollution.
Oh, shit.
No, they'll go after Chris now.
Why are the?
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck the bees. Don't fuck the bees.
All of us.
Fucking bees.
I'm not fucking bees.
Yeah.
I'm not a bee fucker.
Yes, you are.
Bee fucker.
You
I'm a little
100%
bee
are.
fucker. I'm not a little bee fucker.
Shut up.
Alright. No one touch the bees.
Okay.
I died.
Good.
Cool.
Kinda deserved.
Oh.
There we go. There we go.
Ah!
Oh!
Ah!
We did it! We did it!
Yeah.
We beat Goose!
Chris is in the
You're
lead.
down.
Chris is in the
Oh my
lead.
Oh no.
Shit.
Oh lord.
Gonna remedy that, baby.
If we just
There we go. What you doing, bud? What?
yeah.
Got it.
That'll
Yeah.
fuck.
That'll fuck. Oh fuck! Not the bees! Not the bees! No! Oh shit! We glitched through it. Chris, where did you die?
Okay.
Slow motion. Oh. I can't breathe.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh
You're,
god.
Oh, you're
Oh
doing
god.
it. You got it. You got it. The bees are just on
No.
the
The
chase.
bees.
God damn.
They weren't even after me.
No, but they got you anyway.
Did I kill you guys both with the bees?
No, you didn't kill me with the bees, I don't think.
I got
Look
2
who's
drop
the bee
kills.
fucker now, Goose.
Well.
Well,
Look who's
well.
fucking here.
Look who's fucking bees. Yeah?
Oh
No,
shit.
just let them get to him.
Shit!
I was gonna say, just let him be his own
Oh,
downfall.
shit. Damn it.
Well, I am what the cool kids
No.
call stuck.
I'm Doug. That,
Alright, I
that
got
raccoon
this.
looks
Pro
so
I
game.
didn't
desolate.
zoom in.
That
so
raccoon
much.
is full of
I
desolation.
love the zoom. Fuck.
I got this.
I
Oh
can't
my
breathe.
gosh. Okay.
God. Alright. Black hole.
Okay.
I'm not putting it down until you put your bomb down.
The fucking bees. Okay, let's see.
I kind of like the bees. Not that I'm a bee
That's-
fucker or anything. I ain't no bee fucker. Alright.
You have sex with Barry Benson.
Okay.
Alright, okay, to be fair, he's not fully he's not
You-
fully a bee, okay?
Do you just like put it in there? How does that work?
Fuck.
Oh, I win.
If you can make it. Immediately jumps into the fire.
You were saying?
I win.
He wins. He got it.
Oh, bro.
Queen forget. It's a queen. Goose, make your goddamn selection before I put more there to your ass. Swear to God. Goose, what are you doing?
Goose.
Goose, 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 goose.
Goose gets nothing.
Oh my God. I'm gonna put this coin where literally no one can reach it. There we go.
I will still find a way to get that coin.
You are not gonna get it. I can assure
really?
you. And in the two most improbable areas.
I'm gonna
Alright.
get that coin.
You're not gonna
That's
get the
what we
coin.
spent our turn on.
Shit! I didn't think that was gonna reach over here! Jesus Christ!
Shut the bees! Just drown.
I can't. Like, I'm just getting fucking continuously pelted in the ass.
Shit, the bees, the bees, the
Fuck.
bees!
You're gonna get bee fucked.
Oh god.
Oh, you're
Yeah.
gonna get bee fucked.
Hit him.
Oh,
I like that the bees have been the most destructive thing to us.
honestly, yeah.
I think I just shit myself.
Possible.
Without me? What the fuck, man? I thought we were friends.
I'm still gonna get it.
Okay.
Fuck.
Goose
Got the
jumps in
bee.
there.
Oh. Oh. There we go. Pro gamer
Oh, the
move.
stairs blocked that.
Oh, shit. Fuck.
Okay. Okay.
Actually bad.
Okay.
How did you jump through the fire?
Finally died on the
You
puzzle.
managed to jump through the fire.
Don't worry about it.
What the fuck?
The cat's voice breaks every time she.
It does. It's like I'm going through puberty, except I'm almost 26. I'm just continuously going through puberty the entirety of my life.
Yeah, boy. No, please don't put it there.
Put it there. Put it there. Chris, I will pay you $7.
Yo, it's too late. You gotta give her $7 now.
Fuck.
Really? This coin is as good as mine.
You can get to it.
Damn it!
He's not gonna get it. Fuck, he got it. But he's not gonna live.
If
I
he
can assure
does
you.
the coin, oh my gosh.
He's not gonna live. Like, there's no way. There's no way. What are you doing, Goose?
I'm getting my elliptical exercises done. Like 400 kilograms of potato salad each day.
The suspense. The potato salad. It had it all.
Okay.
Alright, last
I
turn.
still win. I
Here we
still
go.
win.
Sweet. I know you're gonna bomb my can
Okay,
as
so
soon as I put it down.
either you're not gonna get to place it.
Nope. I'm gonna wait until the very last second. I
Okay.
literally will wait until the very last second. Don't
So lie.
don't test me. I will do it.
Yeah. Well, yeah, neither do you.
Fuck! Damn it!
Oh my god.
No!
How do you keep getting
Get
me?
those out of here! No!
Wow.
Who hit the bees?
Gets
Goose.
alone on an iceberg. You guys, what is this level?
I'm gonna hurt you.
What?
Alright, here we go. 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 Yeah?
I don't know.
You got it.
Okay. I can jump there
Mm-hmm.
and then do something there.
Yeah?
That's probably gonna kill me.
Uh-huh. Man, this is a
Where
lot
are we
of thought
even trying to
process
go? Oh god, I don't know.
Bro.
Here we
That was like the
go,
worst
baby!
spot you could have put that in.
Fuck.
What does any of this mean?
So we
How
gotta,
did you get over there?
so listen.
Okay. I'm listening. Oh god.
Yeah.
Fuck me.
So the thing is,
Cat
I
can't do it.
can't get up here. There we go.
Okay.
Woo, baby! That was scary.
Cat dies.
Okay, hang on.
I really
There we
hope
go.
Cat dies.
I'm not gonna die.
I dislike Cat so much that I want her to die.
I'm not gonna die.
I'm
What?
Taylor gonna
I
die.
died.
You knew it.
Okay.
Alright.
Wait, 40%.
Why are you only at 40%? Oh, sweet. Where'd it come? Got a black hole.
40%.
I want to place it right here. I don't know. 40% dead? I don't know that. Woo! Yeah! I've died. It's just
High
going
risk.
directly into my ass.
Okay.
Hot.
What is this?
I'm just
all
getting
mean?
pelted in the ass by... Where are you going, Goose?
Okay.
Getting that coin.
Gotta get
It's
the
not
thing.
over there, Goose. It's not over there. You know what? You'll figure it out soon enough. Chris?
Yeah.
You might want
I'm
to.
still alive.
They just keep
I'm-
going into my house.
Bye,
Wait.
I'm
Chris.
begging
Wait.
you.
Wait.
I'm begging you.
Wait.
It hurts so much.
Okay.
I
How do
can't stand it. There's
Okay.
28 of them in my ass
my
at the
God.
moment.
This is,
Okay,
no,
how
this
do
is
I-
fucking
Oh
dumb.
god, they just keep coming.
Okay. Ah! Okay. Okay.
I crave
Okay.
sweet release of death.
Oh.
Join me, brethren. Hold to give up.
Okay.
Okay.